Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to arithmetic expression. The quiz contains the basic operation, plus, minus, multiplication and division. And here we have some pattern which is 3 raised to power 2. Each number has a number of 2. So we have to solve this quiz using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. In the answer list we have 4 answers. A is 0, B is 3, C is 6, and D is 9. So let's see after solving it which answer is correct. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. Now let's talk about what are the rules which we can apply to solve the given expression. Here we will discuss two rules, BODMAS and PAMDAS rule. These rules we can apply to solve any arithmetic expression. And the rule says if your expression contains any bracket or parenthesis, so you have to solve that part first. After the bracket, you have to see the power of any number. If your expression contains any number which has the power, so you have to solve that part after the bracket. Step number 3, you have to solve division and multiplication. So what you have to do, you have to go left to right in your expression and find out division and multiplication. Both have similar precedence, so you can solve any of them which is coming first. Similarly, for addition and subtraction, we have same rule. We can solve addition first if it is coming first, and we can solve subtraction first if it is coming first. Now move forward to solve the given expression. According to the BODMAS and PAMDAS rule, first of all, we have to solve the bracket. But in this expression, we do not have any bracket or parenthesis. So we can skip this step. Now move forward to solve the exponent part or order of operation. So what we have to do, we have to go see which expression has which number which has the power. So here we have each number has the power. So one by one we will solve each one. So here we have 3 raised to power 2. So it becomes 9 plus, and here we will write again as it is because we will solve this each step in each line. So you can do in one line this part, but I'm basically teaching you. So that's why I will solve each part. I will solve each number in each line. So here we have write like 9. And now again we have this number 3 raised to power 2. So again we have to solve 9 plus 9 divided by, and other parts again we will write as it is. And this part we have here, again we have the reference. Again we have to follow same step, 9 plus 9 and divided by, and this time I will solve each term. Like this one, this becomes the 9, 3 raised to power 2 means 9, multiplied by again 3 raised to power 2 means 9, minus 3 raised to power 2 means 9, right? And here we have to give the reference like 3 raised to power 2 equals to 9. Now we have solved the exponent part. Now we have to go for the division and multiplication, or you can say the multiplication and division. So what we have to do, we have to move left to right in this expression and find out which is coming first. So now we have 9 plus, we cannot add these two terms because this number, first we have to divide these two numbers. So it becomes like 9 divided by 9, which is equals to 1, and multiply by 9 minus 9. Here we will write as it is. And here we have to give the reference like 9 divided by 9 equals to 1. Now move forward. Again, we have to go left to right and find out which is coming first. So now we have 9 ones are 9 because we are solving division and multiplication. So first of all, we will write 9 plus 9 ones are 9 minus 9. And it becomes like 1 multiplied by 9 equals to 9. Now move forward, we have to solve the addition and subtraction. So we will write like 9 plus 9. We will go again left to right and find out which is coming first. So here we have 9 plus 9, which is equals to 18, minus 9. We will write here as it is. And here we have to give the reference 9 plus 9 equals to 18. Now move forward. We have two terms which are subtracting each other. So we will subtract both of them and get the answer is 9. So the answer of the given expression is 9. If you see the answer list, so answer D is the correct answer of this expression. So this is the correct answer of this expression. I hope you understand like how you can solve the given expression using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. We will meet in next class. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.